Model, 64 Plate Nissan Nt400 Cabstar Tree Surgery Tipper Noisy Engine Repair 2.5 Dci Noisy Engine 40k miles No Vat. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 40,372. MOT, the 14th of April 2026. Engine, 2488 cc YD25, E5E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Genuine low mileage tipper repaired the engine and you'll have a bargain. With no VAT to pay grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest